Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Book Textbook 2 Exercise 7.10 Question number 1 Multiple choice questions. The volume of the sphere is increasing in volume at the rate of 3 pi centimeter cube per second. The rate of change of its radius when radius is half centimeter. Here the first given thing is dV by dt. dV by dt means change of volume with respect to time is given 3 pi centimeter cube per second, and dr by dt change in radius with respect to time is what, and at r equals half. Here we know that volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, which gives, by differentiating with respect to t, that is dV by dt equal 3 into 4 by 3 pi r square into dV by dt. dr by dt here, because we are differentiating 4 by 3 pi r cube with respect to r, but we need dV by dt. So we put this one 4 and cut 4 pi 4 into pi r is half, r squared is 1 by 4 into dr by dt. Then dV by dt is given as 3 pi. Therefore, we need dV by we need dr by dt equal this 4 and 4 cut 3 pi, this pi also cut, so directly you can say answer is 3. Therefore, option is 1 centimeter per second. Then question number 2, a balloon rises straight up at 10 meter per second. An observer is 40 meter away from the spot where the balloon left the ground. Find the rate of change of balloon's angle of elevation in radian per second when the balloon is 30 meters above the ground. Now, question number 2. Here, for this we need triangle here. Here 40 meter away and h is 30 meter, and here 50 meter. Here we can say h equal 40 tan theta. h equal to 40 tan theta. From that, dh by dt, that means we are differentiating 40 tan theta with respect to t. We have 40 secant square theta d theta by dt. d theta by dt. Here, where r equals square root of h square plus 40 square, that is 40 square plus 30 square equal 50 meter. Now, which is given that here 10 meter balloon rises straight up 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second, which means rises 10 meter per second is dh by dt is 10 equal 40. Then secant squared is cos is 40 over 50, here 50 over 40, the square d theta by dt is, therefore we can say from this d theta by dt equal 10 by 40 into 40 by 50 the square, which is equal 10 by 40, 40 into 40 over 50 into 50. So 40 cut and 10 cut. Then this, then 50, after that this 5 and 2 is 2. Therefore we have equal 4 over 25. 4 over 25. So d theta by dt. Second one, d theta by dt is 4 over 25 radian per second. Third question, position of a particle moving along a horizontal line of any time t is given by st equal 3t squared minus 2t minus 8, the time at which the particle is at rest. Now s of t will have more space here. Now question number 3, the position with respect to time is given. St is 3t square minus 2t minus 8. Now we will do with respect to time differentiate ds by dt equal 60 minus 2. Here they are seeing the time at which the particle is rest, that means speed is 0, equate 0, ds by dt equals 0, which gives 60 minus 2 equals 0, which gives t equal 2 over 6, 1/3. Time is 1 by 3 seconds. Question number 3, option 2. Question number 4, a stone is thrown up vertically. The height it reaches at the time t second is given, x equal 80t minus 16t squared. The stone reaches the maximum height in time t seconds is given by, that means fourth one, the question. The given equation is x is 80t minus 16t square. Let us differentiate with respect to x. Dx by dt equal 80 minus 32t. Now with dx by dt equals 0, therefore 80 minus 32 t equal 0, which gives t equal 80 over 32 equal 5 over 2 is 2.5 seconds. Question number 4, 2.5 seconds. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.